Good morning, everyone. Once again, our superstar of last time, Ramesh Bhai Rawal ji is here. Rawal ji, thank you. Last time आपने जो टेक्निक दिया, वो हम लोगों ने we shot it outside because of the background noise and all that, so we redid it. Okay, शायद आपने देखा नहीं रहेगा, हमने उसके और एक वीडियो बनाया था उसमें. विधान जो है वो यूएस में उसने विधान पांडे ने उसने वापस से बनाया. थोड़ा सिस्टमैटिकली एग्जाम्पल हॉरोस्कोप से. So what are we going to discuss today is something that is not known to most astrologers and in ancient India. और ऐसा पहले भी अभी भी होता है, गांव में बिलीफ है. What we do is when a woman is pregnant, okay, we do not allow her to cross a river or a lake. Suppose we have to go from one part of the city to the other part and there is a river or lake. So we don't allow a pregnant woman to do that. Nowadays, I mean, like staying in Bombay.
Marriage are not allowed in those ancient times.
Sorry.
Marriage are also not allowed in.
बस जब बारात निकलती थी, ऐसा.
हाँ. नहीं दूसरे नदी उतार बोलते थे उसको.
नहीं मैं समझा नहीं सर.
नदी के उस पार लड़के को नहीं देना है.
अच्छा शादी
नहीं करते.
अच्छा. That means you have a daughter and you are giving her in marriage, but if the
village or
bridegroom is on the other side of the river, so they don't allow. Okay. Now, this is something, what you call a belief. We were staying in Bombay or anywhere else in the world these days, modern times where we are losing our customs. We call it a belief, an ancient belief. क्या बोलते हैं उसको अपना हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? अफवाह नहीं. मान्यता, विश्वास. Now you must be thinking, why am I saying this? Okay, because I just learned from Ramesh Bhai ji that this gives rise. If you cross, you're pregnant and you cross the river, okay, it gives rise to a dosh in the horoscope called Jal Devi dosh. That means Jal is water, Devi is goddess, dosh is an affliction in your horoscope. Okay, so it is water, goddess, dosh. Now what exactly is this? Ramesh Bhai is going to teach us. Sir, ये क्या है? जल देवी दोष क्या है?
जल देवी दोष लग्न कुंडली से देखा जाए तो कोई भी लग्न लो आप, कोई भी राशि लो, चंद्र और शुक्र अगर चौथे स्थान में है, 8वें स्थान में है या 12वें स्थान में है,
so it is moon or Venus
और both
either in the 4th house or 8th house or 12th house. Simple technique. Moon is Jalakaraka, that means watery planet. Correct, sir?
Right.
Okay. And 4, 8, 12 houses, logic I presume is watery signs. Natural zodiac, watery signs. Correct, sir? So what happens? What is the result? That means, are you trying to say, if somebody has combination of moon or Venus in 4, 8, 12 houses,
or only more than 4 or 12 or 12th house.
Only moon also, okay?
Because of the
mother
cross the river or lake during the pregnancy.
Okay, that means if I, for example, have this, then my mother would have crossed the river or lake during pregnancy when I was in her stomach. Wow. This is kind of past prediction. Okay. So brilliant. Now what is the sir इसका असर क्या है? Means what happens in life अगर ये होता है? ये दोष का result क्या है? What is the result of this दोष?
ये दोष का रिजल्ट ये है कि अष्टम स्थान से हम शुरुआत करते हैं तो लेफ्ट लेग आ गया.
लेफ्ट लेग. अच्छा.
अगर इसमें चंद्र और शुक्र या दोनों रहते हैं
आठवें
तो
घर।
लेफ्ट लेग में फ्रैक्चर, एक्सीडेंट, दुखावा,
Okay.
ये सब इफेक्ट करेंगे।
So if moon,
आएगा आएगा आएगा, मैंने हजारों कुंडलियों पे चेक किया है।
Acha. Okay, I'll repeat this in this thing. What sir is telling is moon is or Venus, whatever, is in the 8th house. Then the left leg is affected. Okay, so pain in the left leg, probably in some age in life. Okay, the then or fracture in the left leg. Okay, or some kind of abnormality in the left leg,
पेन,
pain kind of thing. Okay, in the left leg, and you have tested this on hundreds and thousands of horoscopes. Okay. Now, what happens if moon is in the 12th house?
if moon and Venus or both are in the 12th house, then what happen? You may get the effect on the right leg.
Okay.
There may be an accident, fracture in the right leg, or any pain in the right leg,
Okay.
or if you sit on the bike, or behind the driver of the bike, or in the car, you may get accident during this effect.
That's brilliant. That's brilliant. I just vaguely remember a horoscope with moon in the 12th house. Okay. Now, I do not remember whether it was right leg or left leg, but I do remember. Okay, that lady has moon in the 12th house. Okay, and she had gone to some island. Okay, एक island था and फिर उसमें पानी भर गया तो boat दूर था. The boat was far away, so they had to walk with this much of water, and there were a lot of stones. Okay, and she slipped. She slipped, you know, and hurt her leg. But I don't remember now.
This also may happen in such case.
I don't remember which leg, but I'll have to double check that and if that person remembers. But I remember काफी चोट लगा था उसको. Okay, that's good, sir. And what happens if moon is in the 4th house?
If the moon or Venus or both are in the 4th house, then what happens? You may slip down from the
Staircase.
staircase
Okay.
or from the height. You fall down from the height, 3rd floor, 5th floor, 6th floor.
Okay. I remember.
Or you may slip in your house.
Okay. अच्छा कोई लोग रहता है हमेशा गिरते रहते घर में, ऐसा भी होता है. आप लोग गिरते हैं, कोई गिरते हैं, किसी का है ये कॉम्बिनेशन?
मेरे फोर्थ हाउस में है मून और वीनस एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है 10th हाउस से मून को.
नहीं, मून कहाँ पे आपका? वेरी
Fourth house, fourth house.
4th हाउस. ओके, तो आप
Scorpio sign.
स्कॉर्पियो साइड. ओके, एंड ये कुछ हुआ है आप कभी गिरो?
No slip on.
She sleeps every day. Thank you.
Sir, I have moon in 12th,
12th.
but I have so much pain in my left leg.
अच्छा, not in your right leg.
मेरे को
I have one birthmark in my right leg.
Oh, you got a birthmark. See, that's brilliant. Yeah, birthmark. And birthmarks, do you know, is always associated with past life.
Yes. Yeah.
It's always associated. I used to have a technique, but I failed in that technique, and but I don't use it on ladies. Okay. I used to see the D60, and in 1 second I will say where the birthmark is, most prominent birthmark. Okay. Sometimes क्या हो जाता है, when you use that technique on ladies, okay. Suppose it is, I can't tell the technique. Then it's a private part. Then you don't say it, you don't predict it. But I used to specialize on it, and I learnt it from Saptarishi Nadi.
Okay.
Translations are available, but nobody reads it. That's another thing. Okay, but and that I learned from a guy. You know the significance of birthmark. I'm debating, so okay. I learned from a guy from Ratnagiri. वो उसके सामने कोई आया था कि इसने ऐसा देखा, उसने बोला कि somebody had come for consultation. He said कि पीछे एक birthmark है. So wife said नहीं है करके, means husband wife होता है. He told the husband birthmark है. नहीं है. अरे है 100%. In previous life, okay, he was stabbed in the back and he died. She said it's not there. तो husband है ना, smile किया. He said 10 साल हो गए शादी को, 10 years have happened. Okay, he lifted and he showed.
So they were my birthmark on
Birthmark?
back,
हाँ?
left side.
क्या आपको बैक बाइटिंग बहुत होता है? वो आपके लोग आपके पीठ पीछे आपके लोग खराबी करते हैं या
चलता रहता है.
चलता है? तो used to it. You're used to it. So anyway, so you slip regularly. So moon works, and for you moon is in the 12th house. Okay, your left leg pains,
Yeah.
but on your right leg you got
Yeah.
a birthmark.
This
Okay.
one
I can't ask you to show that birthmark.
moon or Venus or it will conjunction of both. It should be conjunction
Oh
on
my
either
God.
moon or Venus.
Okay,
Or
can you
conjunction
take-
or
Can you just
yellow.
take the camera?
Either
This
moon
is-
or Venus.
चलिए. This is real astrology. थोड़ा हो सकता है? आप बेटा इधर आ जाओ. इधर आ जाओ. नहीं खड़ा हो जाओ. आप पैर दिखाओ.
Yeah.
पैर दिखाओ. दिख रहा है? दिख रहा है? Zoom in कर. Wow. This is it. देखा. मैं मस्ती कर रहा था. Okay, I was just joking. And I just thought, you know, when you said right leg ना, I just thought कि ऐसा कुछ normal रहेगा. But ऐसे मैंने joke किया. Because you're a woman, I just joked, you know. This is real astrology, man. This is what you call live astrology.
Yes.
You know.
ये मदर के लिए it means कि बच्चे के होगा.
नहीं ये अगर मेरे कुंडली में जैसे इनके कुंडली में तो इनकी माता ने
किया.
her mother might have crossed.
हाँ किया था.
हाँ तो
अच्छा you know it?
हाँ.
How do you know it?
I mean, she was traveling from my father's
Camera.
place to my nana's place. She kept on traveling.
अच्छा your mother kept on traveling from your father's place to
my
your
father's-
grandfather's place.
नहीं, my nana, mama,
Nana.
maternal.
Paternal grandfather.
Maternal.
Maternal. क्योंकि मेरे को ये सब relationship समझता नहीं.
We were in Sangli, Maharashtra,
Okay.
and these people were in Bombay.
अच्छा.
So obviously, कुछ तो river cross हुआ ही होगा.
हाँ,
Natural.
So many rivers.
So many rivers.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
and
man.
it effect on her
Yeah.
right leg.
You know when you have informal
Very
sessions
good.
like this,
Yeah.
तब सच आता है. नहीं तो मैं अभी वो राइट लेग के बाद भी मैं जाने वाला था कि मैं सर को इतना वेट करा रहा हूँ. But see,
Yes.
informal sessions like this.
I have one question.
हाँ सर.
Moon in fourth, but suppose Venus is not there, Rahu is there, then same.
It will give effect. Either moon is alone or Venus is alone.
Okay.
It will give effect.
But Rahu was
अच्छा only they are
Any planet.
Or ना moon or Venus or even both.
both or with other
With any planet.
With any planet.
with any planet.
हाँ. Even if it is
Venus,
conjunction.
my daughter horoscope, Venus is in fourth.
हाँ.
But she has a very big birthmark on her left side. Very big mark.
अच्छा.
Birthmark. Venus on fourth.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
नहीं आप.
ये दूसरा
My
दूसरा
question
आता है.
is, did you travel over
Yes,
water
yes,
when
because-
she was pregnant?
Yeah. From Delhi to Fagwada, Punjab,
हाँ.
and there are many rivers, Satluj and
तो
so
यार आप बोलना
many.
चाहिए था ना. मैं तो अभी इसके बाद बंद ही करने वाला था.
Like
अच्छा, just remember.
Yeah,
अच्छा,
just I
अच्छा,
remember. हाँ, मेरी बेटी का Venus अकेला है.
Okay.
Venus alone in fourth house,
अच्छा.
and she has a big birthmark on the left side,
अच्छा. Hi.
on back.
Morning. We are recording. We are recording.
I know I was out.
No worries. Okay.
और दूसरा
So this works.
दूसरा इसका इफेक्ट क्या है? ये बैक पेन देता है. ये
अच्छा, so
back pain
she
नहीं
has
देता है.
she
Yeah,
has
only one problem I am suffering, back pain.
no. बैक पेन उसको देगा ना.
हाँ.
बेटी को देगा. तो
No,
बेटी की उम्र क्या है?
she's small.
What is her age?
Yeah, she is younger, 16 years.
16 years. हाँ तो अभी बच्ची है. ये तो योग है. This is योग.